The National Weather Service in Shreveport has issued a tornado warning for the following counties: northern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas. Until 12:15 a.m. At 11:30 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Franklin County, moving north at 45 miles per hour. This thunderstorm has the capabilities of producing a tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Dangerous flying debris may occur. Seek shelter now. If you are outside or in a mobile home, seek shelter in the nearest sturdy structure. If no shelter is available, seek shelter in the nearest ditch, lie face down, and place your hands over your head. We repeat, a tornado warning has been issued for the following counties: northern Franklin County in northeastern Texas, northwestern Bowie County in northeastern Texas. This warning remains in effect until 12:15 a.m.